How to fix Shopify opening soon. To do this, we have to go here to the left where it says Online Store. Once we click on that, we go to Preferences. And when it's done loading, we just scroll down here till we see Password Protection. And what that does, it limits who can see what's on your website unless they have this password, which you can set here. You should also tick this box here which says restrict access to visitors who don't have the password, and you can also type in a custom message for the visitors when they open your site. The next thing we want to do is we want to go to the App Store, and you want to download this Pagefly landing page builder app. And once you do this, you can go to their page builder, and it will open something like this. And from here you can create your landing page, and for this we just click on create from template and click regular. And now we can just type in something like coming soon, and you can choose one of these. For example, this one has a counter which says how long until the website launches. And once you're done with that, you can just select your template and edit the colors and the fonts and everything like that. And that's how you fix the Shopify opening soon. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.